guys, welcome to the channel, guys. We're in Kingston, guys. We're definitely in Kingston, and we down on the waterfront. And I came down here this morning because I said I'm gonna try something this morning and see if I can pick something up this morning down on the waterfront here. I see there's bait fish in the water and there's birds flying around, guys. Let's get this in the water and see what we can pick up. More or less a high bait lure or something like that will work good in this water this morning. The sun is just coming up, guys. I'm gonna change off this paddle tail and I'm gonna go to a twitch bait this morning, because I guarantee you that twitch bait is gonna be a striker this morning. Get this lure off. I got a wire lead on there, guys. I don't know if I even have it. I wonder if we should just get a top water lure. I'm gonna get something with a treble hook on it though. Just making sure we're good on camera. Double checking camera. Alright, let's go with this white this morning. And we'll cast some lure. We're gonna work this wall going all the way around, or that way. We're gonna work this way first. See what we can pick up. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. So yeah, guys, so I'm out. I'm on the hunt.
4, 5, 6 man. Man don't let us come up.
And crocodile in the water, brother. I'm not running no joke with
yo,
them.
the man will dive off like.
Me and my kayak, and I'm going in the water with my kayak with them tonight. Even though they can't reach out, I kayak same way, no brother, but now take no check with no crocodile now up here, so man. Me can't see this. Look here. See one jackfish I eat there. Jackfish I feed, look well. Jackfish just feed, look well. I'm just seeing.
I wish for in this. What? Yeah. In Ghana this.
See them, look here. See jackfish I feed there. Jackfish them there feed.
Okay, them I can make a tough with them man.
The tough with them, man. I call around a extreme fish and tell them something done here, you know. A Jamaican shore fishing then call me still, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
More go over there, but we're afraid to go over there. God, to the crooks there, but you have to take risks in life.
How you climb up there, so?
No, you have a rope on the back on there.
Oh, okay.
So if you have a problem, go out there. They can't swim, go up there. They can't swim. Or bucket. Can't swim, the bucket go over there. Right? Which is, I stop swim down as a 20 years ago, I stopped swim down. 20 years ago, I stopped swim down. You see me? And the water get like this. One time the water is clear. So I see the bottom. You said, yeah, anything I come, I can't see. The trouble money there, you can see the money I sink. Yeah, it's clear.
Nowadays you can't see it turn green.
Yeah, you can't see it.
How deep it be, sir?
You know, it's not deep enough. What?
About 10 feet?
Yeah, deep enough, but how is it deeper?
About 10 feet.
Not 5 feet in it. Yeah. Come on, stand up, son. 10, 12 feet. Let's say about 20 feet of water, yes, but out there, so. Gone to a different level.
About 40, 50 feet.
Yeah, out there, so gone about. It's gonna be a gone in between 40 to 40. Can't go over there now. Can't swim, go over there to the little boy. And not swim with the little boy. Can't swim with the little boy. Come back, you know. But it's just the crooks. Yeah, because some of the diver them there, you know. So they look, they have about 4 or 5 divers down there, you know. Yeah, man, you know, when they jump out of the water, man, you're not see all Indian and another little Rasta one and then go up to this one. It's the quote I'll read on this one. Read on this one. You see them come up and see them come up and shoot.
Yeah. Well, they go shoot top on you?
Yeah. I see I'll be there now and get that way, you see that? In the water. Good. Go over there, Baba.
Cause the top on the hang round that sitting in your feed.
Yeah.
Round this.
Yeah.
They like structure, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, structure, barracuda on top and love structure, you know. Anyway, structure they want, they round the structure because that's where the fish hide.
Yeah. Alright. What do you have? Oh, the fish not bite again. Oh, you know, just no, I'm not that. When Indian do it, but they are a fish, you know. And then every fish disappear.
Because they gone on a shade.
No. Disappear, barracuda did it long so to pussy clot, man.
Eh?
And Indian say, somewhere down there. Jump off. And some lick him in but him gone. The Indian jump back in the again and come some man to turn round at the top at the back of the racket on his front side. But I said, in the lick him already. Then weak. So I see him come to fight him up. He turn round the top of that thing and start to slug up on his side. The man got boom again and lick him and I'm just talking about the water, I'm just sharp.
Blood sleep.
I mean, and then Mr. T-Head come up there and he say, boom, boom, yeah, the man say, this is down there run them.
Eh.
See that? See that?
Yeah, man. Them belly full, man. Them belly full. I live bait them my feet, man. I throw every single lure I can throw half time. You know, take it. No, man, in there between this and this. One, both, two of them, yeah. Yeah. In my feet, pan the local fish, them, you know, but the bait fish, them, I move. And whole heap of them there, so same way.
Can't bring my cars, man.
You're good, man.
This boy will pump somewhere like a boy. I want to see if you feel it with the box. Maybe, man. And drink two rum. Yeah. Who are you talking about? I'm touching a guy, you come see us with a pussy class.
Ebert. There's one on my line. Yeah, but I don't want to hook him. The hook not catch him yet, man. Oi. Yeah, grab him. Careful. Hold him. Watch your hook there, no. Watch your hook on that. He will hold you. The hook on that, serious. Watch him hook. So bite him, I try bite him.
Yeah, I don't know you do like a fucking of killing.
Okay.
Look how it's not running away, man. But look how it's not.
Look how in. Pull on it. Cool. Rough bird there, thank you. Now what, don't look further down here and see if we can pick up one barrel. over here. Eastern Kingston, working at your jury shop too. See what we can pick up. A lot of bait in the water, guys. A lot of bait fish. So I gotta be searching, and they're standing out. Working that wall. Guarantee you I'm gonna get a hit on the chartreuse, guys. This water there is good. Oh, the chartreuse. And that sun is gleaming, so I'm getting a good effect off that lure. Try not to trip on this wall and fall. Funniest thing is that long jaws would normally chase this lure, and I see one in the water and he's not even looking at it. Pretty much avoiding it. I don't know why. That's crazy, right? Yeah, long jaw's not even looking at this, guys. So we're just walking. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Big tarpon jumping in the water, guys. That's all. Walking this whole wall. Trying this whole pier. See what we can pick up. Damn, boy. Now go run this one, please. Some jellyfish. Nothing on this side. We'll head back to the other side, guys.